Mathri is not only a perfect tea time snack but a traditional feast in North Indian homes. Today, I have 3 types of festive Mathris for you: sweet, unsalted, and a special one for Karwa Chauth. I am taking 2 cups of all-purpose flour or maida. I am adding in half cup of Desi Ghee. Let's mix the flour and the ghee together. This dough we are making right now will be the base for all 3 types of Mathri. The flour is binding well in the fist. This means the flour and the ghee have mixed well. Now into this I am adding water in batches. We will be making a tight dough. Let's add in around 1 tablespoon of ghee and knead. The dough is ready. Just coat the dough with a little ghee so that it doesn't dry while we keep it to rest for 10 minutes. 10 minutes are up. I am taking a handful of dough and dividing it into equal portions. I am rolling the portions into small discs. The discs are ready. Time to roll them into Mathris. While rolling the dough, just make sure we are rolling with light hands. Also, we don't want to roll them thin. The Mathri is rolled. I am now poking this with a fork so that it doesn't puff up when we fry. Similarly, we will roll the rest of the Mathris. To make the moon-shaped Karwa Chauth Mathri, I have taken 2 discs together. Roll them thin. Using a cookie cutter, I am simply removing the middle portion out. The Mathri is rolled. I have oil on heat. To check if the oil has heated up sufficiently, I have dropped a portion of the dough in the oil. The oil is ready to fry. Make sure the flame is low. Time to add the Mathris. Once it is cooked from one side, flip the Mathris. We are frying these until they turn golden. Remove the Mathris out when they get a light golden color like this. The unsalted or the Phiki Mathri is ready. Now, let's also fry the moon-shaped Mathri. Watching the moon through the hole is a Karwa Chauth custom for many. The second type of Mathri is also done. For making this sweet or meaty Mathri, I am taking 1 cup of sugar. Into this, we'll add 1 cup of water. Let this mixture simmer until the syrup thickens to the right consistency. To test this, simply take a bowl and pour a drop of syrup. If the syrup makes a string, know that it is ready. Now simply slide the Mathris in the sugar syrup. Let the Matris get a nice coating of the syrup. Once done, take them out. These are a perfect ready-to-eat snack for sweet tooths. So here we have 3 different types of Mathri ready. Be it at festivals or without it, this is a great snack for those little hunger pangs. Until we meet again, eat well, live well and stay blessed.